In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal payments on Webflow. This is an essential step if you're looking to provide a diverse range of payment options for your customers and ensure a smooth checkout process. So let's dive right into it and make your Webflow site even more powerful. First things first, you'll want to log into your Webflow account. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard and select the project you wish to work on. Now head over to the site settings of your chosen project. It's crucial to note that in order to utilize Webflow's e-commerce features, your project must be on a paid plan. If you're not yet on one, you'll need to upgrade before integrating PayPal as a payment method. Having a paid plan ensures you have access to the necessary tools and supports the overall functionality of your e-commerce site. With that in mind, let's proceed to the next step. Within your site's settings, navigate to the e-commerce section. This is where you'll find various options related to product management, orders, and payment settings. Under the e-commerce tab, click on Payments. This is where you can view and manage all your payment options available for the checkout process. Here, you'll see an option to Connect PayPal. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a window where you can log in with your PayPal details. It's important to note that you'll need a PayPal business account to proceed. A business account ensures that you can receive payments for goods and services in a more streamlined and professional manner. Once you've signed in with your PayPal business credentials, you'll see a prompt to authorize the connection between PayPal and your Webflow account. Carefully review the permissions being requested, and if everything checks out, go ahead and authorize the connection. This step is vital because it allows Webflow to interface seamlessly with PayPal, enabling your customers to make purchases with ease. After successfully authorizing the connection, you're almost there. You'll need to enable checkout options on your Webflow site. This step translates your newly established PayPal integration into a functional payment option during the checkout process. Finally, make sure to publish your site. This ensures that all the changes and integrations you've just set up are live and ready for your customers to use. By following these steps, PayPal will be readily available as a payment option for your customers at checkout. It's a great way to enhance your e-commerce capabilities, providing your customers with a convenient and trusted payment method. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Webflow site.